I might die if I forget how to breathe. I love entertaining people and making them laugh. It's my favorite thing to do. One fan asked me to sign their sock. That was crazy. They just took off their shoe and handed me their sock and asked if I'd sign it. I'm an only child, and after making the movie Yours, Mine, and Ours, I know it would be awesome to have 17 brothers and sisters in real life. My room is never clean. I play Guitar Hero all the time and throw things around my room. I've had journals ever since I was really little. Sometimes I write poems and stuff, but for the most part I write down what happens to me during the day that I don't want to forget. So I have books filled with little things like that.